Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by x. Next, we have y, and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equation. So we need to use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu x, and we have e to the power of the integration. So we see that positive and number 2 over x next to y. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of 2 ln x. Now we have the formula in here. Ln 8 to the power of b equals to b ln 8. So now number 2 we put inside about natural law in here. So we have e to the power of ln x to the power number ln x to the power of 2. So we have the second formula in here. So capital A, that is about x squared. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have x squared. So we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 2x. This one we have x to the power of negative number 4 plus 2. So we have negative number 2. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, we see that we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have x squared y. This one we have x to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1, and I will put about c. And this one we have negative number 1 and negative number 1. So we can put negative 1 over x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.